Facebook is a well-oiled social media machine, serving 8 billion video views a day from 500 million people. The average American adult spends 25% of their time on Facebook or Instagram. Facebook pages are already the mobile solution for millions of businesses, but unfortunately, many businesses have still not made the shift to mobile. I'm about to share a few stories of how Facebook businesses all over the world are using Facebook ads to strengthen their brand and raise their awareness. They use them to fill events, locate ideal clients, boost their sales, and their overall business growth. Time sells a hairstyling tool with unique design. They wanted to demonstrate their step-by-step progression, so they used a carousel ad that will feature up to 5 images. By using the ads, Time increased sales by 3 times with a 7 times return on ad spend. And Tough Mudder used ads to generate for its events and also to increase awareness of its organization. In 2 years, they increased sales by 24 times with a 5 to 10% return on ad spend. Claudia Pavlovich, a Mexican politician, used on-target messaging to influence voters, reaching 1.1 million people, which received 3.2 million post engagements, resulting in 71,000 more votes than her opponents. After 20 years in the emergency room, 2 ER doctors started iTriage. It's a mobile application to inform and empower patients within their healthcare system. Now, before using Facebook ads, iTriage had trouble reaching their audience, spending lots of money and not able to target their specific demographics. After 4 months of using Facebook ads for this hard-to-reach audience, their apps have been downloaded by 350,000 users. And last but not least, Sudhira, Clothes for a Cause, are giving at-risk women in India opportunities to learn new skills, create clothing, and to earn incomes, using Facebook ads to promote their clothing line. A 10% increase in sales, a 44% decrease in ad spend, and a 53% decrease in cost per acquisition. There are literally hundreds of thousands of businesses worldwide gaining great success with Facebook ads. As you can see, the type or size of business does not matter. It doesn't matter if your business is a brick and mortar or if you have an online business, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large corporation. Regardless if you are in a remote location or you office in a big city, incorporating Facebook ads into your marketing is more effective than most owners realize. Your target audience is out there, and we will help them find you. All I need to know is, are you ready? You can say yes by clicking here now. It would be my pleasure to work with you.